Welcome, in front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. So in order to take a screenshot, you can either use a 3 buttons combination of Windows Shift and S buttons at the same time, or you can simply press the print screen button. Once you do that, make sure that you have the Snip option selected, and then you can pick between 4 options for your screenshot. The first one is a rectangular screenshot. In order to take a rectangular screenshot, you have to select an area on your screen that you want to take a screenshot of. Then release the selection and the screenshot will be taken. If you tap on the notification you see in the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to edit this image using quick tools you can see on the top bar of the window. You can also edit it in Paint if you click right here. You can save the new version of the image right here. And if you want to find your image, you have to open a File Explorer, then go to the Pictures folder, then go to the Screenshots, and in Screenshots folder the last image will be the screenshot that we took. Okay, so the next option of the screenshot is the window screenshot, and to take a screenshot of a window you have to hover your mouse pointer over the window you want to take a screenshot of and click on it once, and the screenshot will be taken, and it will look like this. Now if you want to take a full screen screenshot, which is the third option, then you simply have to click on the full screen option and the full screen screenshot will be taken immediately. And the last option of the screenshot is the Freeform screenshot, and it's basically almost the same thing as a rectangular screenshot, except for a selection, except for you have to draw a shape of any form that you like on your screen instead of making a selection, and the screenshot will look somewhat like this. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.